Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And update's probably not the right word here. I would say more so confirmation, and essentially what's looking like could very well be starting to occur going forward, and that's just simply some sort of sideways channel pattern. Top of the channel being up here at $1.60, which I've talked about. Bottom of the channel being down here right around $1.28-ish, which I've talked about in the past. And today the price and the range really tightened up quite a bit. Does this remain the case? That still remains to be seen, but there's no doubt about it that things are starting to tighten up, and the quote-unquote tightening up area is being that's what I love about charts. Is I realize I'm just saying tightening up, but what does that even mean? Well, with charts I can quantify and give you numbers with what that means. So tighten up being defined as a channel of $1.60 down to $1.28-ish or so. So really, until something happens in regards to this channel, not much more can really be said. Now, what constitutes quote-unquote something happening? Well, simply put, either a breakout to the upside of the channel or a breakdown to the downside of the channel. But until then, as long as the price stays between these two levels, one single word can summarize the current price action, and that's just consolidation. So right now, consolidation is kind of the word of the day, and as long as the price continues to stay below those two levels, then nothing else can really be said. Now, from a day trading perspective, I get it, or a flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, yeah, there's certainly some opportunities within here. It's a magical wonderland for you to go back and forth, but from a bigger picture type viewpoint, which is kind of the reference point where I'm talking from, not much else can be said other than grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and yeah, well, let's just wait and see, and for something to happen. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.